The GTA 6 leak is probably the only topic everyone is discussing today. Yet, I find the leaks themselves completely boring and lacking any wow factor, calling the early build bland, flat, and mediocre. In my opinion, the melee combat is weak, the gunplay is stuck at the GTA 5 level, and the only thing that actually looks impressive is the vehicle physics. The main focus isn't on the gameplay itself, but on the massive events surrounding these leaks, the corporate war, and the actions of the mysterious leaker. Digital slavery and the $100 price tag. Rockstar and Sony have openly declared the end of physical discs, with GTA 6 marking the start of this transition. Players are bluntly reminded that digital purchases do not belong to them. They are merely temporary licenses. This aligns with a 2024 prediction from Ubisoft's director of subscriptions that gamers need to get used to not owning their games. Player backlash. A wave of outrage and calls to boycott PlayStation swept the internet, though no major protest materialized as players were preoccupied with the new Call of Duty beta. Take-Two's stance. CEO Strauss Zelnick boasts that 90% of sales are already digital, framing the ditching of physical media as a convenience for players. In reality, the true motive is erasing the second-hand resale market entirely so Rockstar can keep all the money. Pricing strategy. Zelnick claims games are underpriced relative to their volume of content. I view the standard $80 version as an artificially stripped-down edition for the budget-conscious, especially given that aggressive marketing convinced 80% of buyers to pay $100. The Netflix deal. Streaming giant Netflix paid $80 million for the exclusive rights to broadcast the first 30-minute gameplay trailer 6 hours ahead of YouTube, requiring a paid subscription to watch. Ironically, Rockstar previously justified dropping physical discs as a measure to prevent leaks. The Cyborgs phenomenon, Robin Hood or crypto scammer. The primary catalyst of this chaos is the leaker operating under the alias Cyborgs. After skeptics dismissed the leaked footage as AI-generated, he proved he possessed a functional PC build by shooting his handle into an in-game wall. Lacking an official Twitter presence, his Telegram channel was swiftly banned. Cyborgs operates through his own website. He turned the leaks into a pay-per-view spectacle, releasing content incrementally while collecting donations in his proprietary meme cryptocurrency, letting backers vote with their money for or against new leaks. He initially offered private calls showcasing specific gameplay for $163,000. Internet onlookers labeled him a Johnny Silverhand battling a ruthless corporation. He claims to be fighting for players' rights to resell games, publicly burning $1.5 million worth of his cryptocurrency in protest. However, I remain convinced he is a conventional crypto scammer. Burning coins artificially inflated their value, enabling him to profit off transaction fees and pump the token's price prior to release. His threats bordered on surreal, demanding 10 people assemble in onion costumes outside Rockstar's offices to unlock a prologue starring Lucia, yielding mostly AI-generated art and a single video of someone biting a raw onion. He also launched a paid poll to leak the story plot. Cyborgs left an on-screen text message in one leak, urging people to stop hatting him and support his struggle financially. Furthermore, he claims to have set up a dead man's switch, an automated system set to leak the full PC build if he fails to check in daily following a potential arrest. Internal chaos at Rockstar and corporate retaliation. Corporate retaliation was immediate. Take-Two filed a U.S. lawsuit demanding personal identification data for roughly 100,000 users across Discord, YouTube, and Twitter who interacted with the leaks or impersonated Cyborgs. Take-Two's precedent is aggressive. In 2019, they dispatched private investigators to a YouTuber's home over Borderlands 3 leaks, deleted his social channels, and a prior GTA 6 leaker was placed in an indefinite psychiatric facility. Today, the company blocks Twitter accounts merely discussing the topic via keywords without posting footage. The story about a Redditor whose house was allegedly visited by lawyers for guessing the leaked date turned out to be a staged fake, by a scammer chasing crypto donations. According to reporter Jason Schreier, internal operations are in disarray. Mandatory office return. Management abruptly revoked remote work, ordering developers back to offices 5 days a week under strict surveillance. Exhausted staff. Developers are drained, with panic escalating after recent leaks showed a completed mission prompt reading, "Return to Lucia," proving the hacker possesses core story missions beyond early JSON footage. Public composure. Former Rockstar technical director Obermeisch contends that 90% of casual players do not follow leaks online, meaning the incident will ultimately have negligible impact on commercial performance, comparing it to the old hot coffee scandal. Final outlook and verdicts. Mainstream gaming outlets and major creators lined up to defend Rockstar, largely out of fear of blacklisting and losing early access keys. I dismiss claims that a GTA 6 failure would destroy investor confidence and collapse the entire industry. If an entire industry rests on a single title, it deserves to fail. Terms of core design. GTA 6 strikes me as an outdated normie project relying on fetch quest structures unchanged since GTA 3. The leak itself likely stems from cost-cutting reliance on cheap overseas outsourcing in countries like India. Nevertheless, the entire controversy serves as free publicity, though I personally find one potential outcome hilarious. It would be genuinely funny if the PC version ends up fully leaked online well before its official console debut.